Hello everyone, and welcome back to Unbox Therapy. Today we're bringing you an important update about the powerful winter storm sweeping across the country this January 2025. This storm is shaping up to be one of the most intense events of the season, and we want to ensure you're prepared to face it safely. Let's dive into what's happening and how you can protect yourself and your loved ones. As of today, a major winter storm is sweeping through the Midwest and moving toward the Northeast. Meteorologists have issued winter storm warnings for over 15 states, including Illinois, Ohio, New York, and Pennsylvania. Cities like Chicago, Cleveland, and New York City are expected to experience heavy snow, freezing rain, and dangerously low temperatures. Forecasters are predicting snowfall totals of up to 20 inches in some areas, with ice accumulation reaching half an inch. Wind gusts could exceed 50 miles per hour, creating blizzard-like conditions and significantly reducing visibility on the roads. This storm brings back memories of previous winter weather disasters. In 2021, the Texas winter storm left millions without power and freezing temperatures, leading to significant disruptions and tragic loss of life. In 2023, the East Coast was hit by Winter Storm Aurora, which caused widespread travel delays and record-breaking snowfall in Boston. These events taught us the importance of preparation and community support. From stocking up on essentials to staying informed through reliable sources, every small action can make a big difference during extreme weather events. Here are some tips to help you get through this storm safely. 1. Stay informed. Follow your local weather station for real-time updates. Apps like National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration, Weather or AccuWeather are great for alerts. 2. Stock essentials. Make sure you have enough non-perishable food, water, and medications to last at least 3 days. Don't forget flashlights, batteries, and a first aid kit. 3. Winterize your home. Seal windows and doors to keep the cold out. Keep extra blankets handy and consider a backup heating source, such as a generator. 4. Travel safely. Avoid unnecessary travel. If you must drive, ensure your vehicle is equipped with winter tires, a full gas tank, and emergency supplies like blankets, food, and a snow shovel. Local governments and emergency services are setting up warming centers and shelters. If you or someone you know needs assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to community resources. Many areas are also organizing volunteer snow removal and supply delivery services for vulnerable populations. We'll include links to emergency contact numbers and resources in the description below. If you're able, consider checking on elderly neighbors or those with limited mobility to ensure they're safe. The storm is expected to peak over the next 48 hours before tapering off. However, freezing temperatures will persist, so be prepared for icy conditions even after the snow stops. We'll continue to monitor the situation and provide updates as new information becomes available. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel and have notifications turned on to stay informed. Thanks for tuning in. Remember, preparation is key. Stay safe, stay warm, and take care of each other. Let us know in the comments how you're preparing for this storm, or share your tips for staying safe during extreme weather. Kindly subscribe to our channel for more updates.